Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick soup. First, gather your ingredients. Think about what you have on hand, like vegetables, broth, and any leftover protein. This method is all about speed and using what's available. Chop your harder vegetables, such as carrots and celery, into small, uniform pieces so they cook quickly. This ensures everything becomes tender at about the same time, making your soup delicious and ready in a flash. Once your aromatics are fragrant, pour in your broth or water and bring it to a gentle boil. This is the perfect time to add any quick-cooking proteins, such as pre-cooked shredded chicken or small pasta shapes. Don't forget to season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. A good pinch of dried thyme or a bay leaf can really elevate the taste, creating a rich base quickly. Now, add any starches like small pasta, rice, or noodles that cook quickly. Stir them in and let them simmer for just a few minutes. For delicate ingredients like leafy greens or frozen vegetables, add them towards the very end. You only need to simmer briefly until everything is tender and heated through. This prevents overcooking and keeps your vegetables vibrant and full of nutrients, ready to enjoy. Before you serve, give your soup a final taste and adjust any seasonings. A pinch more salt or a dash of pepper can make a big difference. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, or a swirl of cream for extra richness. This adds a lovely finish and enhances the overall experience. Remember to check the description below for the link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade quick soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.